Welcome everybody. Got a Lego Dots pencil holder. This is one of the free gifts I got sometime last year, year before last, for buying something on Lego.com. But I'm pretty sure it's mostly just the pencil holder, and then most of the pieces are the dots that you can choose your own design with. And let's pop her open and see what we can see in here. Like I said, I'm expecting to not be much of a build here because I don't anticipate being very creative with it. Okay. Yeah, looks like all those are our decorative dots. And here's the actual structure of our cake holder. And probably, I'm guessing, the foundation. Do I have my lights on? No. Don't have them on very bright. Okay. Okay, looks like, and actually, how simple it is. It's not even a book, a poster on the instructions. All right, so, well, I'll just hop in and start building and let y'all listen to there should be plenty of clicking and clacking on this one. It looks like it's mostly just building a box. So let's get going. Okay, there we go. Our pencil holder. It works. I always use a few little extra storage in my workspace here, so that's going to be a welcome addition. I'm probably going to skip putting any decorative pieces on it. That's just because I sort of like the pencil look. Maybe I could put like a number 2 if I had. Let's see, I wonder. I don't think there's enough black pieces there to make it where it says number 2. No, probably not. But I just sort of dig the plain Jane pencil. So I'll do that. That was a really quick one. I sort of figured it would be. And very satisfying clicking, I thought. But anyway, thanks for watching, everybody. If you're digging what I'm doing, make sure and subscribe. Plenty more to go where this came from. And I'll see you next time.